Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So at first, open the settings. Then from main settings list, pick display and brightness, and here locate auto screen off. Now you can smoothly select the period of time after which you want your display to fall asleep. It can be 15, 40 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even half an hour. So just pick the option that you like the most, then provide your fingerprint to save it, and that's it. As you can see, it is already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.